Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Volkswagen Passat and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights. It's just your regular factory taillight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lenses. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, grab a clean microfiber towel, and start removing all the contaminants that the taillight may have. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we spray Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution onto the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you want to align the film to this section of the edge of the taillight first. So just align it, make sure it's aligned on top, align on the bottom. And now we need to secure it in order to stretch the film to reach it to this edge. So apply Tack Solution underneath the film, hold it in position, and use your squeegee to tack it down. Okay, now that we secured the film, all we need to do is stretch the film to reach it to this edge. So just apply Slip Solution on the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure this area is dry, that way you have good grip on the film. And then just stretch the film until you reach it to this edge. So just lift the film carefully. Make sure it's not dry underneath. Place the film down and then just stretch the film until you reach it to the edge. So everything's covered here. And on the top, once you have it aligned, apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and tack it down. And now all we need to do is apply heat underneath the film and on top, because there are going to be some small fingers on each section of the film. So to remove them, just apply Tack Solution and heat, and you can use your microfiber towel to bring them down. Another thing you can do is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and use this method to tack down the film. So what this does, it helps absorb any solution that's underneath the film, as well as tacking it down with the squeegee. It'll help you to do two things at once. And that's pretty much it. And now we can move on with the next install. So now we're moving on to this piece. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, start from this edge first. Align the film right on the edge and make sure it's covering up to here. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and tack it down with your squeegee. Now that this area is secured, all we need to do now is stretch the film to reach to this edge. And as we're stretching, make sure it's aligned to this section of the taillight and to the top layer. So make sure this area is dry. And then with one hand, you just do the small stretch. Make sure it's aligned and it should be up to there. Apply Tack Solution, and then with your squeegee, you can start tacking down the film. So make sure it's stretched to remove these fingers up to the edge. And again, to remove these fingers, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution and heat to break them down, and then we'll squeegee them with our microfiber towel and our squeegee once we're done. Apply Tack Solution, wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee, and squeegee at an angle. And that's it, we're done. And now we can move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation on the taillight is to post-heat the entire film. And all you need to do is apply Tack Solution all around the film. And we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat all over the entire film, and this is going to help the adhesive on the tint activate faster. And we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help remove any solution that's still trapped underneath the edges, and also just helping tack down the film in case there's still small fingers around the tint. And then once you're done with this step, you'll be done with the whole installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the 2021 Volkswagen Passat. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.